Woo! This is your UX14 Scorpio Spear. Is it 070Z? Yeah, 070Z. What is Z? I don't know what is Z. Here we go again. I really forgot to research what is the beats, because the beats they all only have letters for their codes, but I don't know what it is. But yeah, let's go. So Scorpio Spear, as I know, the Scorpio Spear has a 2 modes, but you cannot alter the modes without battle, because on the first part it should be with those red right there. You can see that. So there is that red, but when it fights or it moves a little bit of its ratchet, maybe, yeah, the red part is also moving out. So when it is on this red, it is like on the defense type, or like a stamina also. And here, when the red is getting inside on the metal part, that will be an attack type already. Okay, so very nice kind of gimmick. And then that is the owner. I don't know what's the name of that person, but yeah, we'll wait for the anime, because it's the next episodes and season is not available yet in Netflix, but already available on YouTube. You can see the Vivid X on YouTube, but in English version. Yeah. Then its Ratchet is 070. 0 is first introduced on the Ghost Circle, but I don't have yet that Ghost Circle. I want to have that next time, because yeah, it's very hard to get, because it's on the random booster. And if you want to buy the open and the confirmed booster of the Ghost Circle, very much higher in price. Yeah. And then its beat is Z. Again, I forgot what is Z. So if you know what is Z, please comment down there so that I will know what is Z. I forgot to research it again. But yeah, that's it. That's our Scorpio Spear. A spear, but 0 in ratchet. 70, a little bit higher, but not so high, like 80. And then a bit of Z. And this Z is like, I think it's like an elevate. It's also like a point. Yeah. And it has, oh, I forgot. It has a launcher and a Reaper, or a Reaper cord, which is like with the Samurai Sabers. It's a little bit longer than the other, or the normal, or the first releases of our Ripcords. Yeah, so let's see, let's try, let's have it next time.